Hey, I'm back, and I'm survived. What do you mean survived? You should know. I told you in the previous video I'm leaving Iran. Well, that place, you wake up with the fear, passing your days with the fear, and go sleep with the fear. The truth is, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of everything. I'm afraid for what happening to me when I wake up. I'm not only afraid for this, my people, my Iranian people, who's living in Iran, they're afraid. Like it's not werewolf. I told you that, but I'm afraid because I don't have my power. I don't have. I don't have the power. My hands is empty, and I can't defend myself for the basic rights. During these bad days, I realized something. The people are here, understanding what I'm saying now. There is no God in here, and there is no God in the planet. There is no God. But let me tell you something. If you live outside of Iran and you're not Iranian and you have it fucking depressed, I just want to say you're foolish. You're an idiot. If you have it depressed or sad. If you want to mean about the depressed, you should come in here and start living here. You will realize it. Anyway, let's continue the video. Welcome to the part 3 of the Lava Journey, where you feel the super satisfied in watching it, and you will go to the level 3. Okay, so far you learned what a lava is, how to install everything, and how to write a first line code about the lava. So now it's time to actually store data and work with the values. This is a very real programming starts. Okay, first of all, what is a variable? A variable is a name storage location in the memory that holds a value. You can think of it like a labeled box where you store something. In the Lua, you're creating a variable by assigning a value to it using the equal signs. For example, like name equals Alice. Creating a variables name it name and assigned it the value like Alice. So if I'm trying to write this, name equals hold up equals Alice. So if I'm trying to call that variable and showing that on my terminal, just say the print like name. So I'm trying to run it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I'm trying to run it for this, and you see it's giving me the Alice. Yeah? Okay. So let's go to the next section. Lua automatically understanding what type of the data using this. So what it means? It means if I'm trying to creating a variable like a username, okay, username equals player1, that Lova understanding that the variable is using the type strings. Yeah? Or if I try to make the variable type integer, like age equals 29, that Lova understanding that age is the type of the type of the age is integer, yeah, like I want integer, yeah, I write it. I'm right, correct. I'm correct, right? I know. Okay, whatever. Okay. So, and if you want to try to make a new variables of the type of the boolean, just say is admin equals true. Hold on, sorry. True. Is the admins. That type is boolean. Boolean. Yeah. So. Yeah. Boolean. Yeah, this is a correct. Come on. Hold up. Yep. It's great. So. If you have a question that is admin boolean or integer strings, just try to write type admin. Hold up. Sorry, it's admin with the print to see this on terminal. Yeah. So if I try to run it, you see this. Yeah, the admins is a boolean type. Yeah. Oh, what about the username? Username is give me. Oh, come on. Username is give me a strings, and the age is given integer, and his admin is given the boolean. So look, if I'm trying to run it, you see this. Yeah, the username is give me the strings types, and age is give me number types, and his admin is give me a boolean types. Yeah. Okay. Let's next section. Next, go to the next section about. You can change variables value anytime. Lova always keeps the latest values. What it means? So if I try to write, for example, like a level equals 1. So yeah, the Lova understanding that the variable's value is 1 in the variable's level. So if I'm trying to print this, level, it's give me that oh, come on, it's running, it's running. Just try to cancel it and write this code. Yeah, debug. It's giving the 1. Okay, and if I update the variables, for example, level equals 2, there is no value type 1. It keeps the latest values. What I mean? If I try to print level, look, it's giving me a 2, and the 1 is gone. You know what that means? Okay, let's go to the section. Sorry for my, my mouses. Oh, it's kind of cropped because I'm trying to, click one, send it to system with a double click. Yeah, fucking Chinese mouses. Sorry for this. Lova supports all the basics with the operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what it means? So if I try to define the variables like a equals 10, b equals 20. So if I try to write the math, the addition, just say the print and subtraction, multiplication, and division operation. So if we're trying to, you know, running this code, look, 10 plus 20, 10 addition 20 is giving me the 13. And the subtraction is giving me the, let's call that negative 10. Sorry for English. When trying to multiplication, it's giving the 200, and trying to division this is giving the 0.5. Yeah, 1.5. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next section. In the next section, to combine strings, use the concatenation operator like these two dots. So what do I mean? Hold up. Well, if we're trying to write the first name and trying to write a last name, okay, you have a first name like John and last name John, two variables, okay? And if we're trying to print for this, we can write print first name, okay, two dots, double quotation, it means you're trying to space the first name and the first name and the last name for the read the easily for this, and trying to write the last name. You can see on the output of the terminal is give me a John Doe. Or if I wanted to delete the space in the double quotation, you see that John and Doe, they're sides together. Look, you see John Doe. If I'm trying to, write, I don't know what talking to you, but if I, example, trying to write for this, you can see on the terminal that says John something's Doe. Yeah. Okay. We're done. In the final exercise, create a Lua file and create a three variables. Do one math operation, compare text and variables like this, and print everything. Yeah, and after that, just have a screenshot and send it to my channel Discords. The channel Discords in that link in the description. If you didn't see the links, don't worry, I will update it for this. And if you see the description, join my Discord and give the role from my bot and send my screenshots that my bot will send to me. I'm trying to where you have a run or everything. But good news, you have a ChatGPT. You can use the ChatGPT to finding where you rank for the right codes in the Lua. Yeah, but just send me to me. Find the hope that my teach is giving you good results. Yeah. So great job. Now you know how variable work and how Lua handle its data. In the next episode, we'll learn conditions if and else and make our codes actually things and best codes. So see ya and enjoy your life, and you're lucky we're not living in Iran. Ciao.